Hi guys, good morning. It's January 30 and it's Friday and I'm not feeling well. Kung sa Bisaya pa, kahilantanon ko. I need to drink some medicine. And of course, yesterday I have a panic attack twice. It's still new to me because this time the panic attack happened whenever I talk to someone. So when you have a panic attack, you will feel dizzy, and of course, even if you try to calm down, your body is not listening. So kalma lang yung utak, but your body is in panic mode. And it's really hard. It took me a while to calm down and we need to check the update for our hydroponics. Oh my god. So as you can see, the peppers are growing really well. The petchay, isa lang yung pumalpak, but the 4 of them are doing good too. The leaves are growing. And today I'm going to check the water, the pH level. Let's check the pH level. Wait. Okay, first check pepper. So I need to adjust the pepper water. Kasi kita nyo, it's 7. It's acidic. So I need to do something about it today. And check natin si Pichay. Oops eh. Omo. Pichay is still around 6.5, but it's quite acidic. A little acidic, so let's make it 6.2. Oh, it's 6.4. It is better than the pepper, but it's still high. We need to make it down to 6.2 to 6. Mas gusto ko yung 6.2 and 6 na pH level. Check natin ulit si pepper. Yeah, pepper is a little acidic. Yeah. Kailangan natin siyang ibaba for 6 and 6.2 or 1. Ayan. This is the reason why you need to check your pH level quite often so that you will have a very nice growth. Ayan. So far it's doing really well, and I'm gonna put something pH down to control the pH level. Okay, I'm going to drink some medicine because I don't want to make it worse. Ay, nako. Done. So, if you notice, lahat ng video ko ay all intro, walang outro, walang follow-up videos, vlogs, because mentally I'm not really well right now. I have sometimes depression, sometimes anxiety. Well, anxiety and panic attacks are best friends. So if I have anxiety, it means I'm having a panic attack. And it's really bad. But good thing this year I managed to control myself whenever I have panic attacks. Unlike last year 2024, it's really bad. Like so bad. Like I feel I'm about to pass out. So my class will start 10:30 and it's already 8:30, so I only have like 2 hours and 7 minutes left. Good thing it's not that busy today. I only have like 14 classes. Not yet busy, but I have 14 classes. Oh my god. Oh, another update. I'm going back to crocheting because I'm going to sell it. This is super cutie. I'm going to sell it for 30 pesos. I made a big one, but it's not cute. It's too big, but I will try to sell it around 50 pesos. Hello. So, kakakalma ko lang. I was having a panic attack kasi nga uminom ako nito because last month chinecheck ko talaga, hindi, we can't pinpoint what causes my allergy last month. Kaya, an allergy is very dangerous. So, chinecheck ko lahat ng ginawa ko that day nung nag-allergy ako. For example, nung nag-mix ako ng nutrient solution for my hydroponic, isa yun sa naka-red alert sa akin. Baka nag-skin allergy ako, that's why it happened. Good thing, hindi naman. But nung first time kong nag-mix ulit, nag-panic attack ako. As in, nanlamig, I feel dizzy and everything. It's just a mixture of overthinking and survival mode. Naka-alert mode yung katawan ko. Chine-check ko if I have shortness of breathing. Yung kahit hindi makati, kumakati na talaga ang katawan because of overthinking na what if this is the reason. And it's expensive. All the medicines are expensive for allergy. And this one too, during that day, uminom ako ng Biogesic. So I'm also checking if this was the cause, and kapag kakabalik ko lang uminom ulit ng Biogesic, and yes, I'm not gonna lie, I am having like a panic attack. My feet are cold, but my hands are not cold now. But earlier I was like having serious panic. This is the worst part of having a panic attack. If you're still new to this, talagang makaka-feel ka ng physical pain, magnanumb ang katawan mo. Yung sa akin, ang una talagang nang-numb is this one. So, it feels like I'm about to pass out. But once your panic attack peaks, naglo-lower talaga siya. So, maybe 5 minutes after, it will be gone. But during those 5 minutes, it feels like 5 hours. So, you just need to like breathe. Don't forget to breathe, control breathing and stuff. Madaling sabihin, but it's so hard to do it, especially if you're in that situation. Kaya, this is just awareness to those who experience panic attack and anxiety. It's a serious matter. Like, gusto mo na lang talagang magpahinga habang buhay. Ganon. Ganong level siya.